Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review Roundups, and it looks like a pretty well balanced and pretty well optimized AI generated product research assistant. I've just started checking this tool and I was pleasantly surprised. Let's quickly take a look what kind of Roundup reviews you can get. Let's open this one, and in theory we should be able to get these kinds of Roundup articles with the affiliate links for the Amazon products. So you provide the useful information comparing different products. There are nice tables included. So yeah, we'll take a look how it works. And it also includes one-click publishing. Regarding the license tiers, we can see that we are given the number of roundups generated monthly, and all other features are available for all license tiers. Well, there is also a limit of products you can have per roundup. Okay, so I'm in the phase of the onboarding for a Roundup service, and this is the first screen that you will see. You can pick Amazon as the source of your product or even AppSumo. I've chosen Amazon, and I provided the interests of my target audience as an example. And when I click next, the Roundups provided me these topics. So let's pick a few, like portable chargers, home automation systems, robotic vacuum cleaners, and smartwatches. And inside each of the category, you are given keywords data. You're given the competition level and the searches monthly. Well, pretty competitive niche as expected. Okay, home automation systems. We can see there are some topics with medium and even low competition. So let's go next. And here is another powerful feature that you can choose the format. Okay, so let it be this one, 3-column. Okay, and I like that the headlines are relevant. So I'm recording this in February, so we are targeting for spring. Okay, let it be this one, about portable chargers. Let's go next. Okay, so based on our category, we are given different products. Well, I would expect, based on the title, to have only portable chargers, but I think we can pick chargers from here. But let's go back and restart the process just to pick the portable chargers here. Okay, let it be this title, and let's go next. All right, so now we're getting only the portable chargers. So our topic about travel experience, so let it be this one with solar panels. Then let it be this one from a different price range. And let it be this one, gigantic 50,000 milliamps power bank. Okay, so now let's create our roundup. While it's generating the content, we can see that we are given other topics to think about in our selected niche. Okay, so our draft is ready. It took a few minutes to complete, so let's view that. And even before going through the article, we can see to the right that you can enable your affiliate links for Amazon. We can see that we can enable Amazon affiliate links. So you won't have to manage and edit all of those links in the article. I think that's great and it is a huge time saver. So let's click here. And yeah, that's great. You will be adding your Amazon affiliate ID, which will be included in all of your links when you will follow the integration guide. That is a great feature. Again, huge time saver. You won't have to edit manually each of these links. And right from the start, they will be configured to give affiliate revenue specifically for your affiliate account at Amazon. So yeah, let's take a look at the article. So we have our top picks with the prices. By the way, let's check these links. Okay, so let's copy that link address. And yep, here it is, the product, the exact one which we were describing. And by the way, it is Amazon's choice. So it is a pretty popular product. So the Roundups tool selected the ones with higher chances for promotion, in my opinion. Tasting the second one. Yep, here it is, another one. And the last one, yep, all products worked correctly. Let's continue with the article. We have pros and cons, why people love the product. We are getting the rating. I believe it comes from Amazon. I think that's great. There is call to action button. We have other products, and I would say the best part where you have a table. This is the format which we've selected in the beginning. Yeah, so that's great. Yeah. And from here, you can copy this as HTML, as formatted text, so you can post it anywhere manually, or you can publish to WordPress, Ghost, or direct link. Not sure what direct link means here, but let's test. Okay, so direct link means that your Roundup or article will be hosted right here at Roundup's website. So you don't even need to have your own website. So here it is, our Roundup, which is live, which will have your own affiliate links. All right, so I was pleasantly surprised by Roundups. I saw a lot of AI summarizer for affiliate content, and this one just works. I like that you can pick out of several formats for your Roundup. In my case, it had 3 columns which compared products at the end of the article. You can configure your Amazon affiliate ID, so all links will be right from the start affiliate ready. It picked popular products on Amazon in the niche that I've selected, and it even selected the products in my niche based on the description of the target audience. So yeah, overall, I was surprised how easy it is to use this tool and how useful it is. So to get this one, please check the link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.